Hi, I'm Avery. Today, I want to share a transformative chapter of my life. It began during a time when I faced bankruptcy, was jobless, and my home was nearing foreclosure. Past due notices, endless creditor calls, and eviction threats were my daily reality, signaling a cascade of financial disasters. Yet, the pivotal change wasn't in my circumstances, but in my mindset. Trapped in a cycle of scarcity, I once relied on positive thinking, but found it lacking when I needed it most. That changed one serene morning over coffee and a sunrise. I realized, right then, I was okay. Life was more than my financial struggles. I vowed to prioritize happiness over economic fears. I would rather be a happy soul embracing simplicity than be trapped in misery, I declared. Embracing each small victory, I transformed my outlook and my life's trajectory. Opportunities began aligning, like a job that was not only rewarding but enjoyable. My newfound belief in the power of mindset even led to a thriving business venture started with just $50. This journey taught me that true abundance is not measured by wealth, but by joy and freedom. Our beliefs shape our reality, and by shifting them, we unlock a world of possibilities. Abundance is our birthright, and with the right mindset, we can claim it. If you're ready to embrace this million-dollar mindset, I've created an online course to guide you. This course trains you to shift your beliefs and seize opportunities. Click the link below to start for only $7. For more insights into transforming your life through positive mindset practices, subscribe to our channel. Together, let's unlock your potential and pave the way to personal and professional abundance.